Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make a crunchy broccoli salad. First thing you need is about a pound of broccoli chopped up into small bite-sized pieces. So I've got florets here. They are bigger than what we need, so we're gonna break these down a bit more. So bite-sized pieces, stems and florets are perfectly okay for this. Broccoli salad is one of those things that you just get it all prepped, throw it in a bowl and mix. I love stuff like that. All right, so here's my bowl. We are going to move our broccoli, little bits, big bits, all going in. This is 2 carrots grated, about 1/3 cup of diced red onion. Now we've got some cheese. I cubed this cheese, but you can shred it as well. Then we've got 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. You could also use pumpkin seeds if you prefer. And raisins here. So I am not the biggest fan of raisins, and so I'm gonna leave these out of mine, but when I do serve it, I would leave these on the side in case people wanna add them. So 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. It's about 3 globs for me. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon of kosher salt. You can always add more later. About 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You can certainly do more if you like. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Instead of sugar, you can also use something like honey or agave nectar. And then we're just gonna start mixing this up. Okay, so mixing all these ingredients up. See where we are. We might need a little more mayo, a little more vinegar. We'll taste it and check it out. I think just a little bit more sweetener and we should be there. Sprinkle just a tiny bit more sugar in there and let's mix it up. So we have the flavors where we want them now. The only other thing we've got to do is let it sit in the refrigerator for about 1/2 hour before we enjoy it. Well, everybody, you did it. Broccoli salad is awesome. You're gonna love it. Until next time, bye.